Ija, Congress Kumasari Mewa, Star Congress of Delegation Yan Ministry, Chief Minister Official Secretary Yani Jami Melantangol, Submit Kaha. Unisa Manupia, Sina, main response for Rata, National Anigor area of civil submission of Kamutan. Among young new examining again. Mana tu kami cabinet minister discuss ke nasional rugi dan melakukan kontrol antigen mana langsung diserting. Apa yang kami government tunggu apa ada muka macam apa government ni mana mana ini akan ada kerja semua kerapatan di mana itu. Public representative pemain human, public media pemain yang ada di itu mana nampak.
My friends, let me tell you that this MDA government is a government which is by the people and for the people. Every single constituent of this government, be it the UDP, be it the HSPDP, be it the PDF, be it the BJP or the NCP, all the independents who are supporting us, we are all here committed to work for our people. At this historic moment, I am able to announce and to let you know that the government of Meghalaya will be setting up the civil subdivision in Ralikot. This rain is nothing but showers of blessing for each one of us. And I am sure that this is a blessing from God. And He is sending us a signal that He is washing away the past of Ralikot. And there is a new future for Ralikot now. And tomorrow will be a bright day and a bright future for Ralikot and for all the people living in Ralikot and around this area and in this new civil subdivision.